Balerion, the Black Dread, was born in ancient Valyria and was the largest dragon to survive the Doom. Key to Aegon's conquest of the Seven Kingdoms, Balerion destroyed the fortress Harrenhal and forged the Iron Throne. His scaled body was pitch black and his eyes were fiery red. Balerion's wings casted darkness for miles and his teeth were like swords. Balerion's most famous rider was Aegon the Conqueror. After Aegon's death, his son Prince Maegor claimed Balerion. Years later, Princess Iria disappeared with Balerion. Upon her return, Balerion became the first dragon housed in the Dragon Pit. Viscerys Targaryen, seen in House of the Dragon, was Balerion's last rider, but by then, the legendary dragon was old and weak.